give us a short review about our CNC courses?
Basically, it's like I'm learning, so I don't have any knowledge about the 3D machine, right? I start from the scratch, like zero, and now I pretty much I can make this piece. Yeah, that's it.
Like, do you have like any suggestion or like something that
No,
you want to improve?
improve on me.
Yeah, for the other people after you.
Oh, I mean like you don't have to be like scared to ask, cause my guy here, he when I ask anything, he always answering and keep answering. So he pretty much it's a big help for me to learn all this stuff. Yeah, so you should ask. Don't be scared to ask.
All right. Thank you, Dwayne.
Yeah.
Are you happy with the course?
Yep. I happy. Yeah, I got a smooth, shiny surface milling. So yeah, this is gonna be a souvenir for me. Yeah.